Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, power seat dual, third row seating, hill assist system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, wheel covers, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front passenger knee, satellite radio, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.